Doing with China? What are you doing? I didn't see. What's wrong with this? Are you giving China your crackers? Are you feeding China your crackers? Or are you teasing China? So they're one way or the other, huh, buddy? Are you teasing her? Good girl, China. Oh, no, you didn't give it to her yet. You didn't give it to her yet. Oh, she got it. This is supposed to be snack time for Elliot. It's not working out that way. You're a good girl, China. You take it so nice. Hey, all your crackers are gone now, Elliot. All gone. No more. No more for China. Okay, let's get you something else to eat, okay?